Welcome to Breeze Through Car Wash, the premier car wash in northern Colorado and southern Wyoming. Our Fort Collins Car Wash is located at 1171 East Mulberry, and our Cheyenne Car Wash is located at 2106 Dell Range in front of Walmart. We are committed to delivering quality service, speed, and value to our customers the first time and every time. We are passionate about our community involvement. We support Crossroads Safe House in Fort Collins, the Larimer County Search and Rescue, and the Larimer County Humane Society. We have been operating car washes in Fort Collins since 1995, and we continue to integrate the latest advanced technologies into our car washes and strive to make your visit quick and easy. Be sure to find us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter. We are on the web at breezethroughcarwash.com. Breeze Through Car Wash, where car washing is fun.